Now I've tried to design these pop-up cards to be really nice and simple, and in fact they all are. The frog and the dog particularly so. A little bit more cutting out here with the owl, but again another very simple one to make. So what you'll need to do is go ahead and cut out the owl, as you can see here with the shape, and you'll notice a very faint line running down his body. It almost runs in line with the wings here. You'll need to fold down there. And the tree stump again is a very simple one to make. Just cut the shape out and then fold the two flaps here, and then you'll see that there's 3 blue score lines. Now you need to score these really well, because this is a wee bit tricky to make. It's not impossible, but it's a little bit tricky to fold because we've got an innie and an outie fold on here, a valley and a mountain, all on one centre line. So if I just turn that over and show you, once you've creased that, what you need to do is obviously bend your flaps there, nice and simple. Squeeze the centre part there up until that point where the 2 lines branch off. And then come round and just pinch the end of the blue line here, one there, and then when you've done that, come round and pinch that one. And then what you'll start to see happening is if you put one finger underneath here, push down there and squeeze it in, the whole thing will just squeeze like so. Takes a little bit of time, but trust me, it'll get there. So this fold is coming out and that one now is going in. So when this comes up, we actually mount our owl onto there, and he'll rise up at about 45 degrees. Really does look spectacular. When you've done that, you'll then need to stick this down onto the card, and if you look, you'll notice that there's a very pale line just running across there. Okay, so we're ready to stick this down. I've got my glue on my tabs. It goes in at an angle. Remember that the front part, or the pointy bit there, tucks in along that line here and just touches the centre part there. Do the 90-degree bits with the card and you know that's fine. And we've got that glue tag there. Now at this point we can put the owl in as well, because then we'll know that it's in the right position. So we pre-folded him, a nice score line in there, and then just pop a little bit of glue about 20 centimeters up from the tail here. Just put a little bit along there just to hold it, fold it in half, and we can now slot the owl in here. Now what we've got to do, you'll see that there's a nice little V fold there for him to go in. Make sure that his tail isn't over that centre line there, or you're going to be in real problems. So if you hold it again at 90 degrees like so, that will just push it in the right position. You know that's going to clear. The wings are all sitting within our area here. That's not touching. And now we've got that little tab there which is glued. Remember, we just simply put our page over like so, rub it down, and then as we open up our card we get this lovely owl leaping out, as you can see there. That really is quite spectacular.